5 most awaited smartphones of 2024. As 2024 continues to unfold, the tech world is abuzz with excitement over the latest innovations and breakthroughs. With notable smartphones already launched this year, attention is now on the upcoming flagship models from Apple, Samsung, and Google. Based on historical launch cycles and recent rumors, here's a list of highly anticipated smartphones expected to be released before the end of 2024. Apple iPhone 16 lineup. The iPhone 16 lineup is building on the success of its predecessors with significant updates and innovative features. The smartphones are rumored to feature a new design, improved cameras, and enhanced performance. The iPhone 16 lineup is expected to be equipped with a faster A18 Bionic chip and the integration of AI technology, resulting in more innovative features. iPhone SE 4. The iPhone SE 4 is packed with a powerful A18 Bionic chip and an upgraded camera system, along with its sleek design and user-friendly interface. The iPhone SE 4 is perfect for those seeking a premium smartphone experience in a compact form factor. It's expected to offer enhanced performance, advanced camera quality, and unmatched portability. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is the latest iteration of the pioneering foldable smartphone, featuring significant upgrades and advancements. The device is set to define the future of smartphones with its expansive, flexible display with flat edges and improved durability for enhanced multitasking. Additionally, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is rumored to include an S Pen slot for the first time, making it easier to stow and quickly access the stylus. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is the newest addition to the iconic flip phone series, expected to offer a blend of style and innovation. The smartphone is set to feature a bigger battery for improved battery life, a 50-megapixel camera, and a powerful chipset, providing a seamless and stylish user experience. Google Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro. Google Pixel 9 and 9 Pro are the latest flagships from the search giant, set to bring significant upgrades and innovative features. With exceptional cameras, snappy performance, intuitive software, and a refreshed design with flat edges, the Pixel 9 series promises to deliver an unparalleled Android experience.